CP6778 ATEX certified 1-inch drive impact wrench. The reverse and power regulator is easily operated even with gloved hands and is protected by a rubber surround. Provides 400 to 1400 Newton meters in the forward direction and 1750 Newton meters in the reverse direction. With rugged construction, the steel clutch housing contains a twin hammer oil bath clutch. The tool is ATEX certified and IP6 dustproof, making it suitable for oil, gas and petrochemical industries. This tool is also available in 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch drive versions.